Hi there everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jamila. Today's recipe I'm going to show you how I make my salmon. If you don't want this boring salmon, the grilled one or the fried one, this is how I make my salmon into stew. Oh, by the way, before I start, I want to wish you all a happy new year. I hope for a lot of growth this year, so let's go. So here I started with marinating my salmon. As you can see, I'm mixing some spices. I didn't use a lot of spices when I was doing this recipe because I was so lazy, I was tired, but yeah, I added in some lime. And I also put lime on the salmon because I love eating fish but I hate that smell, and lime helps to eliminate that. First I was using the spoon, and then later I realized, oh, I have something that I haven't used in a long time. So then I took out the brush. So yeah. After marinating my salmon, I went ahead and cut the vegetables I needed. So as I said, I was lazy, I didn't have a lot of things in the house, so I only used three ingredients. I used onions, garlic, and green pepper, and some tomatoes. Also, before I forget, if you want to marinate your salmon longer, you can put it in the fridge and let it rest for 2 hours. Over here, the first thing that I did was to fry a little bit the salmon until it was ready, since I didn't want it to break. So the tip to this is to just fry your salmon, let it rest, and then you change it when it's done, or when it's golden brown, as I always say. Just this process didn't take that long time, so it's kind of using your eyes to see, like, it depends on the heat you have on the pan and all that. So I didn't change my frying pan, I used the same frying pan for the vegetables also because I wanted all the flavor. So here I added in first the onions, and then I added in the garlic, and also green pepper. While I was making my food, I realized, oh, the frying pan was really small, so I transferred my vegetables to another frying pan, and I added in some tomato paste as I didn't have the liquid tomatoes, and I added in a little bit of water to have that liquid tomato-ish. I then added in my spices. I only added in mixed spices, aromat, and garlic powder. I love garlic. Like, even if I add in a clove of garlic, I'll still add in garlic powder. And this is also a really easy recipe to make. Kids love it. Everyone loves it, I guess. Then I added in the salmon and water. I didn't And here is my salmon. I served it with matoke. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed.